Important discoveries in physics. Laws of motion, Newton. Law of electrostatic attraction, Coulomb. Atom, John Dalton. Photography on metal, J. Nipsey. Law of electric resistance, G.S. Ohm. Law of flotation, Archimedes. Electromagnetic induction, Michael Faraday. Photography on paper, W. Fox Talbot. Dynamite, Alfred Nobel. Periodic table, Mendeleev. X-rays, Rontgen. Radioactivity, Henry Becquerel. Electron, J. J. Thomson. Radium, Madame Curie. Quantum theory, Max Planck. Wireless telegram, Marconi. Diode bulb, Sir J. S. Fleming. Photoelectric effect, Albert Einstein. Principle of relativity, Albert Einstein. Triode bulb, Lee D. Forest. Atomic structure, Neil Bohr and Rutherford. Proton, Rutherford. Raman effect, C.V. Raman. Neutron, James Chadwick. Nuclear reactor, Enrico Fermi. Law of electrolytic dissociation, Faraday. Thermionic emission, Edison. Thank you.